What's going on, everyone? Today's the 15th of January 2024. We're going to talk about Gala today, give you all the price prediction update in the market. You guys can see already off of my chart that the price action has came and hit our ultimate TP price right here on the 3rd of January, 60.13%. Pretty good call there. So we go ahead and get rid of that. We got some information to display and talk about on the video. That if you're a bull or if you're a buyer in Gala, you may not want to hear it. But it is what it is, right? So let's go ahead and break this down. First thing I want to talk about is pay attention to what happened to the price action in Gala. The market is no longer keeping in line with our trend. It broke the trend specifically on the 3rd of January. So once that day happened and this price bar printed, you should have said to yourself, well, I cannot be that bullish anymore. I should not be looking for price to go up once that daily price bar has been completed. Cool, we got that. Now, the next thing that we need to talk about is these buy zones right here. When we produced our video in Gala on the 29th of December, we created these buy zones. We needed to see buyers hit the market at these price levels in order for us to maintain that price is still bullish. Look at the price bars. Did the buyers do that? No, they didn't. They did not even hold both of those buy zones. Again, this is negative action that is going on the charts. There's no need for us to be fluff and give you rainbows and cupcakes when in fact the price action is telling you that the market is giving you weakness. We broke the trend line and we also did not see buyers hold these two buy zones. So we need to go ahead and get rid of those. Okay. So now we will go ahead and create this area of sell zone. So this is where sellers are. The market currently in Gala is creating this sell zone. So we're going to make that a sell zone. So now these three sell zones up here on the price chart literally lets us know that price is trending to the downside. We don't need to know anything else outside of that. In order for us to really become more bullish into the market in Gala, these buyers needs to take these sellers out of these zones. We need to see them take them out. So far that's not happening. So that's another indication or clue that the price action in Gala is still weak. However, let me give you some glimmer of hope right there. Okay, so let's break down that bar here and we're going to show you where the buyers currently are hitting the price in Gala. So they're right here. Okay, now when you look at the buy zones versus the sell zones, there's more sell zones off the chart than are buy zones, which means that we need to give more credibility to the sellers in the market in Gala right now. We have to, because the market currently is not breaking these sell zones to the upside. Here is Gala on the 2-day chart. Real quick, let's look at this. Okay, because generally I still suspect that the price action in Gala is weak. Here it is on the 3-day chart. Take a look at Gala on the 5. We have 7 hours and 10 minutes left on this current 5-day bar. Again, price currently looks a little weak. Now, we need to see the buyers continually hold that buy zone. I don't know what else to tell you. That has to happen. I don't like the weekly time frame neither off of these two weekly price bars. This prior one kind of gives you a glimmer of hope saying, yeah, maybe those buyers did step in right there around 0.022 cents. Maybe they did. But how long will they be there? Like, is that the ultimate bottom? Can we actually say that that is the final bottom into the market in Gala? Maybe not. Here it is on the 3. Okay, let me zoom this in so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. So here it is on the 3. Are you bullish and bearish? Do we have a little ways to go to the downside in Gala? In my opinion, yes. I think we have a ways to go, or a little bit, at least to the downside in Gala. And what we're going to do is we're going to create some more buy zones that we need to see the market in Gala come through and hold the price. Okay. So these are our targets now. So taking it back to the daily time frame. And these are our 3 targets. Now, the sooner that we find the buyers, the better. The longer that it takes for us to find these buyers to see whether or not they're going to step in and support price, That's not good for you if you're a buyer, if you're a bull. So hopefully the market won't come all the way down to 0.017. Hopefully it won't. But let's see what we got on the monthly chart. I didn't show you guys the monthly chart first. Okay. It doesn't look too bad. What about on the 3 months? Again, it doesn't look too bad. 6. It doesn't look too bad. So maybe we won't see price in Gala run all the way down to our third target. We may just see it continue to trade within the consolidation range, which I'm cool with that too. Maybe it'll just bounce in between these two buy and sell zones. That's not bad. Because maybe throughout 2024, we'll have opportunity to see the market buyers finally break these sell zones higher in price. What do you think? It's possible. Let's go ahead and drop this price prediction on the chart though. Let's quit wasting time. So now we said that we're going to anticipate price action in Gala to go down, right? Now, first target is at the low or this first buy zone. So anywhere in or above this buy zone will have to be our first target. Anywhere. Okay. 12.87% there. Here's our second target. Seeing price anywhere within our second buy zone, that is 23.35% there. Third target is around 0.017, 33.25. Move to the downside in price in Gala. Now, let's not act like price is not weak. It is. And you can even tell off of the trend that price is currently on in Gala. We're trending down right now. So even if I do see price break this trend line, if I don't see the buyers take these sellers out of this zone, then I'm still looking for price to go down. This is the ultimate deciding factor as to whether or not those buyers are going to be successful or not. They got to take those sellers out. They got to get them out the way. Okay. So I'm finished. You're up. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.